What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to get your voucher from your academy profile and also get your certificate of completion if you got to take that to your HR department, your S1, or upload it for our Army Ignited students. Certificate of completion is not the actual cert. It's going to be under our academy profile, and if you got a voucher with your training through us, we're going to apply the voucher under your academy profile as well. So if we type in here Trepa Technologies from Google, come to our website, let's go to our academy site. You can see all of the courses that you may or not be enrolled in, and let's say you're looking for a voucher and your certificate of completion for CCNA. You're going to come to your profile here, come to my purchases. You're going to come here, you should see this green bar, it says complete. That means that you attended our course and we hit complete on our admin back end. Your voucher code will be right here, which you can use, and we'll also put the voucher expiration date. And then your certificate of completion, you click here. It'll let you download the certificate of completion as well. Thank you.